And now we have a hotline in Cantonese with multiple language subtitles from a disciple in Hong Kong.
親愛嘅師父，無上師電視台團隊，我以最感恩嘅心向師父報告，香港愛家喺上帝嘅安排下，又返到九龍灣啦。冇諗到每日嚟嘅客人都係當年淘大愛家嘅熟客，而每位客人都好開心，因為淘大愛家返嚟啦。我聽收銀師兄嘅描述後，亦好感動。原來佢哋一直都掛念淘大愛家嘅食物。淘大愛家自從2007年開始投入服務到而家，已經係18年。有啲當年係外婆帶嚟食飯嘅小朋友，而家已經係青年。最近收銀師兄同2位青年傾偈，同問佢哋食物好食嗎？2位年青人即刻回答好食，當年淘大愛家嘅味道。收銀師兄再問你哋係淘大愛家嘅舊客？青年就話喺細個嘅時候，外婆時時帶我哋去淘大愛家食純素，我哋係返嚟懷念同外婆嘅美好回憶嘅。收銀師兄聽咗之後好感動，同埋再問佢哋而家啲嘢好食嗎？佢哋話一樣，味道冇變。師兄心諗味道冇變，太不可思議啦！再開呢間餐廳，我決定再煮當年最多客人喜歡嘅又樂或越南湯河。唔加洋蔥同蒜，保持不含五辛，純素。有客人品嘗有樂或越南湯河之後，好感動咁話，比以前更好。每日發生唔同嘅事都令我感動，同埋推動我更加努力照顧上帝嘅小孩。意想不到嘅係，自己最怕嘅工作，反而令我同上帝三位一體更加親密。喺愛家工作係我今生最長同感覺最值得努力嘅工作。雖然每日都擔心能唔能夠應付工作上嘅心理壓力，但係只要一返到餐廳，我就好似變咗另外一個人，精力充沛，積極工作，內心同師父一齊。每日全心全意努力工作，同時我內心明白自己只係師父嘅工具，一切客人嘅感動亦係師父加持所致。我只係努力全心全意做好自己，其餘一切都交俾師父。跟師父印心36年，無限感恩今世嘅美好旅程，亦同時理解同師父一齊係我人生最幸福、最珍貴嘅禮物，無限感恩。嚟自香港嘅徒弟
Victorious Initiate Sister, thank you for sharing this uplifting news. We celebrate with you and all your happy diners in the resurrection of this Loving Heart restaurant. May you and the enterprising Hong Kong people prosper, blessed by the divine in your noble work. In universal grace, Supreme Master TV team. P.S. Here is Master's encouraging reply for you. Empowered God's disciple. Well done. It is a pleasure to see you realize that with dedicated practice, all things are possible. Remember, you are supported by a team of initiates, a bevy of thankful customers, and a chorus of benevolent cosmic beings in providing the best vegan food possible at your Loving Heart in Kowloon Bay. You are never alone. May you and fascinating Hong Kong be blessed by miracles from the Most High. Much love to you and your hardworking team. Reading your report, I was thinking that I would like to go to your restaurant again, as I also love and miss your food. Thumbs up and group hug.
If we want to be carbon neutral and environmentally friendly, we must start with our diet. Because even if we don't drive cars or burn coals, if we still indulge in eating meat, the problem, the environmental issue, can't be solved. Xin Yue Sheng, vegetarian.
We welcome your Heartline stories and all cute, loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/Heartline.